morning, this is Jay. In this video we are going to discuss about how do Tableau helps us to do sorting, simple as that, and what is the multiple options that we can explore to do a simple sorting in Tableau, simple as that. Now let me take subcategory. I'm using subcategory a bit of fun videos. It's because that works effective for better understanding purpose. I'm taking subcategory and then let me take quantity again, and then I would take profit this time, but even this is a text I wanted to have, but I really not this way. Cool, this way. Cool. Now even profit quantity comes in this way. Cool. So I want a quantity and then I wanted a profit. I set both the scenarios and then I'm getting all these values accordingly. Cool, it's working effective now. In this data I wanted to do some sorting. Let's take, I wanted to sort it according to the quantity. Whichever having high quantity should be the first one, kind of a descending, and then on top of it I wanted to understand the profit. If that is the case, let's start here. Let me go here and then able to see these two options here. These two options is basically sorting ascending and sorting descending. Look at it here, sort subcategory ascending by measure value. Okay, sort subcategory descending by measure value, simple as that. So if I choose the one with subcategory, I click it, look at it here, which means that it's sorted according to the subcategory level. So simple as that. So if that is the case, the value that I have is, I don't want this one. Now the thing is, now the sorting is not being is something that we are not getting a proper scenario, and then let it sorted according to profit. Look at it here, the profit starts with minimum value and then keeps getting the maximum value. It's not been happening against the quantity. Let me go here again, once we done the sorting, we get this option, the sorting option available for us. If I click that and then I go for a sort, look at it here, a lot of other option comes in, either ascending order or descending order. Because of subcategory we are not getting it, and then data source, alphabetic or field or manual. How do we choose it? Let me go for, if it is a data source order, the data source order is not how the data is being recorded and then given us a data file, alphabetic field. Let's go for a field now, and then I would choose quantity. I wanted to sort it according to quantity, sum it up, simple as that. On top of this, now earlier I didn't get ascending and descending, it was a highlighted order. Now if I choose field, quantity and then sum, I'm able to get this option ascending and descending, and then our idea is that whichever has the highest value of subcategory quantity first, that way I would just apply. Let's see that how it works. Look at it here, it works the same way. The find 5,974 binders is actually making a profit of 30,000. Yeah, it's working effective. This is what we have been looking for. This is one sort of scenario, and then parallelly, if you want, I don't want a quantity to be used, I would go for the profit to understand my ratio, and then profit descending, simple as that. I don't want a quantity to be a scenario. Look at it now. Yep, cool. So that the copier comes first with just 234 quantity, but the profit is 55k, simple as that. Now it keep going on, tables produces quantity of 1241 but still making a loss in minus 17,000 USD. So this is what an option which is available to do the sorting within Tableau. Cool, see you in the next video with other options. Thank you.